Alright, I've done the first start. The bike is idling at 2,000 RPM. I have completely released all the tension on the throttle. There's no drag on the throttle. You can see how much clearance there is here. This is spec. Okay? These idle screws are completely pulled out. They're not in at all. They're doing nothing. I checked the oil. You got good oil flow, so that's a good thing. And over here, I just went ahead and checked the ignition timing. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. Well, you couldn't see that timing anyway. When I rev it about another 1,000 to 3,000, the timing is dead nuts on. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to take the carburetors off again and see if something is hanging them up internally, because the bike should be idling at probably 900 to 1,000 RPM and definitely not 2,000 RPM. So I'm going to lift the tank off, get the carbs off, go through the carbs and find out what's causing this outrageously fast idle. There.